Hey there! Welcome back to Health Tips 365. Today, we're talking about something we all do, using our phones. But did you know excessive screen time can harm your eyes? If you're constantly staring at your screen, you might experience eye strain, dryness, or even long-term vision issues. Stick around because we're going to share simple yet effective ways to protect your eyes when using your phone. Section 1. The dangers of excessive screen time. We all love scrolling through social media, watching videos, or texting friends. But our screens emit blue light, which penetrates deep into our eyes. This can cause digital eye strain, disrupt sleep patterns, and even lead to long-term damage like macular degeneration. Do you ever feel tired eyes, headaches, or blurred vision after using your phone for too long? These are signs that your eyes need a break. Section 2. Practical tips to protect your eyes. Tip number 1. Follow the 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look away from your screen at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This helps relax your eye muscles and reduce strain. Tip number 2. Adjust your screen. Brightness. Keeping your phone's brightness too high or too low can cause unnecessary strain. Adjust it to match the ambient light around you. Even better, switch to dark mode when possible. It's easier on the eyes. Tip number 3. Use blue light filters. Most smartphones now come with a night mode or blue light filter option. Turning this on reduces blue light exposure, making it easier on your eyes, especially at night. If your phone doesn't have this feature, you can download apps that do the same job. Tip number 4. Blink more often. When we focus on screens, we tend to blink less, leading to dry and irritated eyes. Make a conscious effort to blink frequently to keep your eyes moist and comfortable. Tip number 5. Keep your screen at a safe distance. Holding your phone too close can make your eyes work harder. Keep your phone at least 16 to 18 inches, about 40 centimeters, away from your face. Tip 6. Take regular breaks. Instead of scrolling endlessly, give your eyes some rest. Try using apps that remind you to take a break or set screen time limits to reduce eye fatigue. Section 3. Lifestyle changes for better eye health. Eating a healthy diet rich in vitamin A, C, and E can help maintain good vision. Foods like carrots, leafy greens, and fish are great for eye health. Also, staying hydrated and getting enough sleep can prevent dryness and irritation. And don't forget regular eye checkups. Even if you don't wear glasses, seeing an eye doctor once a year can help catch any potential issues early. So there you have it. Protecting your eyes while using your phone isn't complicated. It's all about small, simple changes that make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips from Health Tips 365. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of your eyes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.